dripping. She's so wet, she's dripping.
By the way, we've just... Go and watch the Brandon Flowers video. And then watch this.
My thing's covered in like wet fluff. Where
it started raining. And look where we are
now.
now.
My hoodie. Can I see the wetness of my hoodie right now?
I don't know. Oh yes, you can.
You can see the can. Look, this is me. Look,
come here. Chloe, zoom. Look. Look at this.
Look at this! I'm so hot!
Oh yeah. When the rain goes down, we might go back to rain.
Yeah. Look at the roads.
So, oh my god, I should have fun with it without my glasses. I took them off.
You look nice.
Sorry.
It's a can of Coke there. Look at that drink here.
It's not. No, don't touch it.
Oh my god, it's got water in it.
I spent again, I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's Coke.
You know?
Look, it's fizzing. Oh. Brandon Flowers is still playing in my pocket. Brandon Flowers is
I think it's confidence times now. We're not actually getting the bus, although we could.
I'm going to race stuff. Yeah. I can wear all stuff.
Yeah, but I don't know where we can get the bus.
Where are we going to?
Home.
This is plan B.
I'm just thinking, is it... Last my mum just drove past and was like laughing.
Oh my god, if I call like crashes us.
I'm going to cry. I think we might best just walk in, you know?
Yeah. So it's gone down a bit now, isn't it?
Yeah, should we just walk? My glasses are half cracked! I'm going to have to do without my babies.
What's the matter with them?
They're wet, and my clothes are wet, so when I wipe them, they just get even more wet.
Can you hold this while I
just get so turned on by me. I'm actually going to bring my umbrella today, I'm not even joking.
I am a good, but I look like a retard when I put it on.
Yeah, if you drive to mine, let's drive. If we had a car, we wouldn't be this wet.
We wouldn't be this wet. Cars turned me up.
Leaf brand flowers.
Yeah, and it's just like...
Let's just say rent. Okay, I'm going to put this up on Twitter. And all the people who love Brandon Flowers will get it when I say rental car in Savannah.
Oh, I get it as well, because you told me.
I told you. Yeah, so, vlogging in the rain. But yeah, so, yeah, this is me, by the way, because I'm going to put it on Twitter. This is me, this is
me wet.
What's your name?
TMBitchesVlogs.
TMBitchesVlogs.
Yeah.
That's
Tumblr.
Tumblr. I'm cloclomint on Tumblr, but I haven't been on there for ages.
I am iloveyouTMB for Tumblr.
I have a really nice, well, not a really nice picture, I'll put you a horrible picture. Yeah, this way.
What, you know that picture of you? Is it, what top are you wearing? It's a red top.
I'm wearing my animal top.
Yeah, it's
I've got straight
nice.
hair.
She looks
on.
really nice.
And I have my glasses on. And I can see. So, please, when you think of me, think of that picture. And please don't think of me now, because I look like a drowned wet. Drowned rat.
Yeah. And I just look like this all the time.
She does. I'm joking.
But my hair is always curly.
She normally looks gorgeous, trust me.
Shut up.
You really hurt. You were like, shut up, and you called me up.
Sorry. I'm just wiping my nose because it's wet. But it's not rain.
Yeah, that's what they all say. She says that even when it's like, not even rain.
Yeah.
It's like, it's rain.
It's my excuse.
Oh, it's like 30 degrees out. No, it never gets to 30 degrees because we're in England.
It's kind of
lovely British weather, hey guys?
Yeah, it's June and it's like raining.
We actually had to stop filming.
It was
heavy.
It was hailstoning.
It was that heavy and I couldn't see.
Yeah.
It was that, honestly, we had to stop filming so Chloe's phone didn't get wrecked. So...
You're not supposed to use this in the rain, and this is like the fourth or third time I've used it in the rain.
So we're walking to my house.
But I got insurance, so I just got to pay 50 quid.
I just smelled all of you, sorry.
It's alright. It's wet anyway. It's not like you can tell.
Mine actually doesn't look wet, although it is.
Mine does.
It's so clever. We thought, people go out and stop raining.
Yeah. And
look what happened.
Oh. London's calling.
London's calling.
Vodafone now. Vodafone. I'm not on Vodafone, I'm on O2.
I'm on 3.
Product.
3?
Yep. So go to O2 and drink. Because if you want to be us, then. But yeah.
Yeah, people might. Oh, I just need to over. People might not actually know this, but we are actually friends. Yeah. people, like, because on Twitter we don't talk to each other, are we?
Yeah, no, we're both called Chloe, and well, I'm Chlorine and she's Chlorophyll.
Well, she's Chloe Winter and I'm Chloe Minter.
Yeah, W Winter, M Minter. Turn the W upside down, you get her. Turn the M upside down, you get me. You get it? You get me?
Oh, yeah, get me?
Yeah.
Normally we have the Frank can here.
Yeah.
They're always talking on Twitter. They don't like me on Twitter. It's because I talk about Frank.
I swear your tweets never come up on mine. But then I go on your
tweet that much. I do, but I don't. Like,
yeah.
If I'm on there, I'll tweet loads. But if
Yeah.
I'm not on there, then like
I was trying to do that 69 facts about me. I got to like 44, then I stopped.
I did that. I think I got to about 20.
I got to about 40 something, and then I stopped. I might carry on later, guys. But mine, what are you doing?
Pressing the button.
Press that. Press the flash thing. But pressing the load. Then
Safely. Stop. Think. Look.
Yep.
Listen.
press the button. And do you think I'm about to leapfrog over this?
What?
I can leapfrog over this.
What?
See if I can leapfrog over it.
It's gonna make you wet. Hey!
Yeah.
You're going to laugh all over your screen.
Yeah, I know. I'm just doing that thing.
Do you reckon it's gonna rain on your way home? Or do you want to get your mum to pick you up from my house?
I'll ask my mum if she can pick me up because my dad's there, so she's got to take my brother out.
Yeah. Would you want to phone her now
Yeah.
and then she can be on her way?
Okay then.
Not in like you're not allowed around my house. Like, yeah.
Well, I'll see you guys later. So bye.
Bye.